quiet is comfort, and it's a popular added benefit of Impact windows and doors. Impact products give you peace of mind and privacy by minimizing nearby noises like lawnmowers, traffic, and loud neighbors. PGT has led the industry for more than 40 years by improving safety standards, pushing innovation, and delivering superior performance. We take pride in certifying the glass that helps keep your family protected. Our team of engineers innovate to provide you with multiple options for different types of glass with varying performance levels. Our Impact products absorb sound to keep your home more peaceful. While WindGuard impact-resistant windows and doors are not soundproof, they do significantly reduce common noise. There can be up to 65% in sound and noise reduction when Impact windows are installed. Impact windows and doors have proven to be a good investment. Impact products reduce insurance premiums and increase your home value. With PGT WindGuard impact-resistant windows and doors, you'll be at ease among premium products that deliver improved sound dampening, significant theft deterrence, and protection from severe weather. From the day they're installed and for every moment you own your home, our Impact products stand up to outside elements and give you confidence in your environment, your lifestyle, and your investment. Live the life you want, where you want. A custom detailed home that offers you and your family beauty and peace of mind for years to come. That's the freedom of PGT.